Commander.
System overload.
I'm glitching in the code.
Pull the plug, let me explode.
Heartbeat racing, screens are flashing, neon veins, mind is crashing. Too much noise, too much static. I need silence, automatic. Unplug me, unplug me. Rip me out the machine, set me free. Unplug me, unplug me. Kill the signal, let me breathe. Bass drop heavy, lights go dark. Reset the soul, restart the heart. Unplug me, unplug me. Before this fake world tears me apart. I'm wired up, 24/7, no off switch. Notifications buzzing like a hornet's nest itch. Blue light burning through my third eye. Commander, I'm begging, just let me die tonight. Scrolling through ghosts, chasing validation. Lost in the algorithm, soul on vacation. They got me programmed, smiling on command, but inside I'm screaming, glitching in the sand. Unplug me, unplug me. Rip me out the machine, set me free. Unplug me, unplug me. Kill the signal, let me breathe. Bass hit harder than a panic attack. Take me offline, I ain't going back. Unplug me, unplug me. Before this fake world tears me apart. Tears me apart.
Concrete jungle, digital cage, running on empty at a million miles of rage. They feed me fear, dressed as desire. I'm the battery, they the vampire.
Want my energy, want my time, want my mind, but I'm done playing this game blind. Commander, hear me override the core.
Shut it all down, let the real world roar.
Pull the plug, let the silence hug. No more lights, no more buzz, just me.
And the stars above.
Unplug me, unplug me.
Smash the matrix, watch it bleed.
Unplug me, unplug me.
Now I'm finally fucking free.
Hey, Commander.
Thank you.
System offline.
Peace.